I've been carrying around this thread wallet set because it has really simplified the essentials that I carry around. Instead of reaching in my purse that is full of receipts and other junk, I can just grab this on the go and it has all of the essentials. So it comes with a slim elastic wallet. It has a lip balm holder that is also elastic, so you can fit pretty much any lip balm, chapstick in here, or even some lip glosses. And it also has this wristlet keychain. This is a really cute design. This is the Sanders design, but there are so many color options to choose from. And I also like to put my keys on here. Sometimes I even put a hair tie and my little hand sanitizers to have even more things that I use all the time. But this is super handy to just grab and go. You could even put this in your purse and it's easy to find all the things that you need. So this elastic wallet, it holds 2 to 8 cards in here very comfortably. And there's also this pocket, a little bit smaller, that goes all the way around as well. You can put cash or extra cards in there. And this is just super handy. It really simplifies and helps you find the things that you need. I love this minimalistic design.